Hello guys, welcome back to Saska channel one more time. Yes sir, thank you for watching. Bienvenidos otra vez al canal de Saska, el canal de un beginner para vosotros los beginners, de principiante a principiante. Today we're just gonna talk about something that I got in the mail. I just bought it in Amazon for my bike, which is the Idea Kawasaki Ninja indicator, gear indicator. Okay, bueno, ya nos acabamos de comprar un marcador de marchas para la moto de la marca Idea, y es lo que vamos a ver hoy. So without further ado, let's go for it, and thank you for watching. Okay, so there we have the package, the Idea Gear Indicator for Kawasaki Vulcan S. So, aquí tenemos el paquete que hemos recibido hoy, esta mañana. Incluso siendo vacaciones, lo hemos recibido de Amazon. Increíble. El Idea marcador de marchas para una Kawasaki Vulcan S. Estoy aquí emocionado. Alright. This is great. All right, it was pretty cheap compared to other prices. I look in the internet, around the Kawasaki gear indicator is about 250 euros. There were other ones for 120, between 120 and 150. I got the Chinese one for 35 plus shipping, but I decided to get the Idea after doing some research. So let's open this up, this baby. Simple box, no biggie, simple box, and there it comes like that. So get this out of the way, and it comes in a simple bag. Okay, great bag, seems like the hunters. So let's open it up. Okay, and what is in the package? All right, so it seems like it has, all right, oh great, fantastic, has everything that you need. I guess some ID, some Chinese instructions, only the Chinese understand, people that know. All right, install. Oh, there's some instructions in English. Aquí tenéis todo. Las instrucciones están en chino, que no las entiende ni su tía, solamente la gente china y la gente que sabe chino, porque esto es imposible. Es program this thing. So, okay, so after reading the instructions, después de ver las instrucciones, useless, not good. So this is the indicator. Okay, look at that. That's the gear indicator here. Fantastico, there you go, gear indicator. And then this is the plug, that's what I was looking for. Okay, this is the plug I was looking for, because in the Vulcan S we have a connector. See if I have it here. Yes, I'll show you in a minute. It's the same way. When I unrestrict the bike, the Vulcan S, it has a little cap like this, which is this one, connects into another connector that I left inside of the motorcycle. So just watch my video to locate that plug. But anyway, I will make a video later on how to install this thing. Si os dais cuenta, esto es lo que estaba buscando, este cable, este conector, porque este conector es idéntico al que quité cuando le quité todas las restricciones a la moto. Si os dais cuenta, la moto tenía este cable, este tornillito, se lo quitamos, funcionaba perfecto, y luego tenía este capuchón, ¿ves? Si os dais cuenta es igual que este, pero teóricamente debería tener unos cables aquí, que no los tiene, pero bueno, yo se lo quité por si las moscas. y la moto es que va fenomenal, va fenomenal. Yeah? As you know, as you could see in the video, the motorcycle goes great. It has much power, it has a lot of reaction time after unrestriction. So this is the thing. So you have your ties here, your cable ties for the installation. Okay, las bridas que llamamos en español. Tenemos aquí un adhesivo, an adhesive paper. So I guess it will go in here. In here, oh, here you have also some adhesive paper on the side. There you go. You can actually take it off, I guess. I'm not going to take it off right now. So I guess you can actually cut it and put it here if you want, or maybe on the back side if you want to connect it somewhere. And here you have another side, another connector, another adhesive. So we'll go here on this side. Okay, fantastic. But so hopefully, oh, what is this? Here, Kawasaki. Okay, I guess this is, well, it seems like this, oh, look at that. It's another, and this is another adhesive that goes over the screen here. So if this breaks, so actually when it comes out, you'll have the protector of the screen. You have the screen protector. Okay, great. So this one, I don't know if it comes out. Let me see. And no, it seems like it's not coming out, so I'm not gonna mess around with it. But it seems like this one goes on top here. Yeah, but I will see. It says Kawasaki. Okay, Kawasaki. It says gear Kawasaki. So if you want to actually stick it in here, you'll have the name of Kawasaki on top, so you know that's for Kawasaki. That's great. So fantastic. I have my adhesive, I have the cable. Seems like it's pretty long. Hopefully it will be long enough for, I don't know, let's see, let's take it off a little bit. Plug it in here, let's take it out of the way and see how, I don't know. Ooh, I don't know. Oh yeah, it seems like it's quite long enough. See, let's measure it with a ruler that I have here. Let's don't lose this thing. Let's put this aside. Don't lose these things. Let's put them aside. And let's measure this thing. I have a ruler. So let's see. Okay, so this is 40 centimeters. So more or less this is, okay. There you go, 40 centimeters here. Plus another 40 is 80. Plus another 40 is 1.20 meters. Plus another 40 is 160. 160. 115 is 175. So you got 175 meters of cabling. So hopefully that'll be enough. Okay, because I will place this one near the odometer, you know, and this goes on the side of the bike, so it has to go underneath the tank, you know, and go all the way to the side. So I don't think it'll go more than 1.75 meters. So The Zasca Channel, gracias por mirarnos, por visitarnos. Solamente deciros que esto es un aparatillo que es muy bueno y muy interesante, que al final es el mismo conector, tiene de todo, tiene este adhesivo para poner en. Thank you for watching. Yes sir, thank you.